when it all started happening, and when actually my friends started putting haldi on my face, and I'm like, okay, I'm actually gonna leave this house and go away. It's finally hit me that I am getting married.
एक सीक्रेट डांस जो हम सब मिलकर सुयश और किशोर को दिखाने वाले हैं।
हमने कल से प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट की है और हमने जो गाना बनाया, जो स्किट बनाया, वो एक लड़का है सुयश, एक लड़की है किशोर। तो लड़के के लिए हमने चूज किया है
4 बोतल वोडका काम मेरा रोज का, एंड वी आर परफॉर्मिंग ऑन दिस सॉन्ग इज बिकॉज सुयश cannot live without alcohol.
किशोर के लिए we have selected this song from her Pepe Pure, जो कि बहुत ही छोटा सा चंक है, and then we do Desi girl, Desi girl, because she is a Desi girl, she's like full on Desi.
बहुत सारी परफॉर्मेंसेस हो रही हैं, सब नाच रहे हैं, फ्रेंड्स भी नाच रहे हैं, किश के कजन्स आए हैं बाहर से, वो भी नाच रहे हैं.
I'm dancing on London to Magda.
Yeah.
Excited!
हम नाचने वाले हैं, सीक्रेट है, but they can't guess, but they don't know what we're gonna do, like, you know.
Well, we are gonna be
Dancing?
yes.
What song are we dancing?
I don't know. You tell me.
मुझसे शादी
मुझसे
करोगी.
शादी करोगी.
Some people want diamond rings, some just want everything, but everything means nothing if I got you, yeah.
और कौन से गाने में प्रैक्टिस की आपको मैंने बता दिया. See, this is what is happening? My video is going on.
You are not important.
I am very important. They love me. They respect me so much. Yeah, they respect me.
बहुत ज़्यादा नर्वसनेस थी बिकॉज सडनली वो दिन आ गया था जिस दिन का हमें 6 सालों का इंतजार था, बट फाइनली लास्ट के जो 4-5 महीने थे जिसमें हम तैयारी करते थे, वो तैयारी खत्म होकर वो दिन एक्चुअली था when I was actually going to wear my the outfit. अच्छा जरा घर आना. We went to his house and he gave me a surprise. He gave me a wedding outfit, like a lehenga, a red color, beautiful lehenga he gave me, जो उसने मुझे promise किया था inside the Big Boss house. तो 7 बजे 7:30 बजे जब हमारा साइनिंग होने वाला था रजिस्ट्रार का, so I wore the red outfit.
Hi, Suyash Rao. Kishore Siraj Bachchan.
As my lawful wife.
Lawful wife.
You are accepting as a wife? Yes or no?
Hey, my wife accepted her law. I'm accepting her marriage.
Please shout out, no voice. Kishore Siraj Bachchan. Suyash. It's my lawful. Yes, sir. pictures, वरमाला खींचते हुए and all of that, you know, कि ये शादी से भागना चाहता हूँ, ऐसे बोल रही हूँ। That went off really well, and उसके बाद I ran up to change into my reception outfit, and it made me look like a princess.
So the moment she entered, so there were so many people looking at her.
And it was just such a beautiful moment. And I started crying like I needed tissue. That's how badly I started crying like a mad woman.
You know, when she's talking, I'm obviously, picturized कर रहा हूँ सारी चीजें. So while she was walking towards the stage, I could see that she's crying, and I wanted to go and hug her there only. वहीं पे पड़ता रहता है. I think I have to wait till the night she comes.
Yeah, so when I finally reached the stage, he hugged me tight, and I was just crying. My most favorite of my wedding was that moment when I actually reached him and he hugged me, and that entire thing of just people looking at us and me in his arms. I think that was my best moment.
Then my sister and all my cousins and my friends, they wanted to
The Bharat.
बारात. भाई की बारात नहीं आई तो मतलब बाकी यार वही कुछ नहीं यार, बारात लाई नहीं. And बारात के लिए हमने इम्पाला मंगाई थी, full open car. And उसका driver भी एक सरदार जी थे, पग में बैठे हुए थे. And like अरे बड़ी कोई गली पैदल करनी, सारे friends चंडीगढ़ वाले बंगला कर रहे हैं. ऋत्विक भाई, शाली, all my close friends dancing like mad.
Because हमारे friends ने हमारे apparently surprise plan किया था. When they started the performances is when we realized कि shit, that person's dancing, even Nemo's dancing, even Arav's dancing, even Aditi is dancing. It was like that. मतलब जिनके बारे में हमने सोचा था का तो हमें पता ही था. But even my nieces who have flown down from Switzerland for the wedding, they also kind of managed to go for rehearsals and dance. Yeah, I mean they made my mother dance. Vinna, I think, can do anything. They really, like all my friends, yeah, I think they really put in a lot of effort.
My sister, so obviously I know Shruti, she really dances well and she loves dancing. But there were other two cousins of mine, मतलब जिनको एक को तो मैंने actually गाने को मैंने सोचा था, but मीरा नहीं, जो कि सिर्फ पढ़ाई करती है और कुछ नहीं मैंने मुझे जिंदगी में करती.
Them also dancing.
Dancing, and then I think the best moment which is going to be with both of us for all our lives. When my mom didn't really dance, her mom also didn't really dance, but with her masis,
that little effort,
that is more important, which made it even more special.
Pauta, your performance was superb. Pauta played Kishore. She played Kishore and she was very hot, Kishore. Okay, Kishore is not really that hot, but Pauta was super. And Arya
तूने इतना कैरेक्टर दिल में ले लिया था, मतलब तू सेलिब्रेशन आती ही लग रहा था.
No.
मदर इज ऑल्सो सुपर नाइस. मेरे के पिता ही नहीं है, तो कल्ली लग रहा है तेरे जैसा.
Entry, of like starting with my Hippie Pure days, ka song to his Splits Villa ka whatever, and then how we met the Pyar Ki Kahani, then Big Boss, and the dog task that happened. I was laughing, I was cheering, I was clapping, I was dancing with them, and I was crying with them because they kind of created those emotions.
There was actually a
for us that made us cry. So
there was a moment when I didn't know whether I should laugh, I should cry. आंसू भी बह रहे थे, हंसना भी आ रहा था.
Of course, how can we forget the Rahi brothers?
हम अपने आप को खुशकिस्मत बोलेंगे कि इंडस्ट्री के वन ऑफ द टॉप 2 एंकर्स इस टाइम जो हमारे
या
हैं,
हमारी शादी होस्ट की
2 कॉलेज फ्री में हमने पूरी शादी होस्ट की उन्होंने. हाउ स्वीटली दे बोथ यू नो हैंडल्ड द होल थिंग, मेड एवरीवन लाफ.
Feeling very nice for my daughter.
Suyash already knows. I think he's seen in these 6 years. And I'm sure he'll take care of it.
मेरी बहुत बहुत दुआएं हैं तुम्हारे साथ. अल्लाह तुम दोनों को बहुत खुश रखे.
I really want to wish both of them a very, very happy and a prosperous life.
माता रानी चाहे उनको अच्छे से अच्छे तरक्की दे और फले फूले खुश रहे.
Suyash is like, yeah, Suyash. किश्वर के नाम से मुझे सिर्फ फोटोग्राफ्स ही याद आता है because she always wants to click pictures and make Snapchats. बाकी झेलो बस यही.
I wish them both a very happy married life.
I wish you all the very best and a very, very happy married life.
All the best for your future and जैसे आप दोनों हो वैसे ही.
I think that segment which went on to us was awesome. And we got a call from Salman sir at 3:30, 4 o'clock.
मतलब excited है.
Saying
तो कितना
because he was shooting for Big Boss because उस दिन shooting होती है Fridays को. So he couldn't make it, but he gave us a call and he wished us.
मतलब क्या और तुम कितने खुशकिस्मत हो सकते हो कि रात में 3:30 बजे सलमान खान तुम्हें फोन करके बोलता है. मैंने फोन उठाया. So it was real, you know, she called, I called from her phone and he was like, and he used to call me that, you know, उड़ता पंछी, you know, it was inside. उड़ते पंछी, अब तुम आ गए पिंजरे में, तुम्हारी बात लग गई. मैंने कहा, ओ भाई आप आ रहे हो क्या? ले बेटा नहीं मैं निकलूंगा, इतना टाइम लगेगा. but I just called to wish you both, you know. So मेरी ईश्वर से बात करा, I spoke to him for 5 minutes.
So I think that was very sweet. So I think our reception ended on that note, and I think that was the best thing because उससे बड़ा gift हमें मिल ही नहीं सकता था. Salman sir actually made the effort of calling us up to wish us on our wedding day. So yes.
Hi baby. Remember? I told you once, a day will come when I'm gonna take away all your sorrows, all your tensions, rest of your life, and that's not it. Your last name too. And guess what? The day is here. It's here, baby. The day has come. तू हर घड़ी हर वक्त मेरे साथ रहा है. ये जिस्म कभी दूर कभी पास रहा है. जो भी गम है तेरे उन्हें तू मेरा पता दे. जो भी गम है तेरे उन्हें तू मेरा पता दे. Urarari, oh, मुझको तो तेरे चेहरे पे ये गम नहीं जचता. जायज़ नहीं लगता मुझे गम से तेरा रिश्ता सुन मेरी गुजारिश इससे चेहरे से हटा दे सुन मेरी गुजारिश इससे चेहरे से हटा दे मैं हो गया तेरा मेरी सांसों में तू समाया अधूरी कहानी पूरी हुई मैंने जब से है तुझको पाया
So I just want to thank all the viewers and of course our fans जिन्होंने इतना प्यार हमें किया है, इतना प्यार किया है, इतना unconditional love दिया है हमें in all these years and they've literally stayed true to being Sukishans and loyal to us. So I just want to say a big thank you.
Notting well, they came on board. Last moment, there's another girl from Chandigarh, Deepika. So both the teams they did a fantastic job with the pictures.
And this studio, which has become like a house. Thank you so much. Yeah, Kochwala, thank you so much for this studio. कि हम जब चाहे यहाँ पर आते हैं. And like we said, that we couldn't invite you all for the wedding, and that is why this web series is a gift from us to you. And of course, On Board Live is like a big part जिसकी वजह से ये possible हो पाया है जो हमारी story आप तक पहुंच पाई है in all these episodes. So you gotta do what? Stay tuned to On Board Live. And if you haven't still subscribed, then you have to subscribe to On Board Live. So do that right now because lots more coming up.